Hello, today we're gonna check the page number 36. That is, oh my god. First, we're gonna see the vocabulary that we have here. Experiences when abroad. Abroad is when you have to travel to other countries out of your own country or city, okay? And we have here Becky in the number one, struggled to get used to the weather. Tony, have difficulty understanding social etiquette. The number three that we have Rachel, find it hard to make friends. Laura, that is the number four, try to get used to the food. And finally we have the number five, that is Peter, struggle with the language. The first thing that we have to check is that the people in the pictures have been living abroad. What problems had each been facing? You have to write some sentences speaking about that. That is, Becky has been struggling to get used to the weather. And why do you have to do that? I'm going to explain this in the grammar about the present perfect progressive. We have to study the theory. We form the present perfect progressive with have been plus the ing form of the other verb. We use it to emphasize the duration of an action which started in the past and continues to the present. She has been traveling to France every summer since she was 12. For an action that has recently or just finished, and we can see the results in the present. I've been studying all day. I am very tired now. Time expressions. We have for, since, all day, all year, etc. How long? In this, we have the present perfect progressive. And here, in the exercise 2 that we have. Oh, sorry, my cat is trying to get into the video. In the exercise 2, letter B, that you have to read again and mark the sentences as true or false, we have this. In the number 1, Stephen had gone to Mexico on vacation. That is false. The number 2, his host family are very friendly to him. That is true. Number 3, his host family doesn't speak English with him. That is true. Number 4, daily life in Mexico is faster than back home. That is false. Number 5, he doesn't like spicy food. That is false. Then number 6, Stephen feels his experience has changed his character. That is true. And in the exercise in the number 4a, we have to put the verbs in parentheses into the present perfect progressive. And as you already can see, you have this. I'm sure that you already understand my writing, but I'm going to read aloud. The number 1, Mike has been studying abroad for a year. Number 2, Susan has been working all night. Number 3, how long has your brother been living in Spain? Number 4, they have been learning English for 6 years. Number 5, you look really tired. What have you been doing? Number 6, it has been snowing since this morning. Don't forget that you have to use the verb have or has. Then you have to add the been, and the other verb has to have the ing ending. What are you going to practice? Use the verbs to ask questions that you have study, walk, rain, wait, and dig. In the first, I'm really tired. Have you been studying? No, don't forget that you have to practice. If you don't have a person to practice with, you have to contact me in order that we can practice together. Okay, okie dokie. And then we have the reading with Stephen Marshall, that is Reading Abroad, Case Studies. But don't forget, you are going to read, then I am going to read together with you, and also you have to answer the exercises on page number 37. See you later, bye bye.